flatter yourself. Akala mo ba I'd break down? Iniisip mong ikaw pa rin ang kailangan ko now. Let's end this here bago tayo tuluyang masira. I'm letting go of every memory, wala nang natira. You only cry dahil nasaktan ang pride mo, hindi dahil minahal mo talaga ako. Too late, nahuli na ang lahat. We became worse than strangers after what we had. I saw your excuses start to fall apart. Every promise broken left a little mark. Now you want forgiveness like it's yours to take. Pero tapos na to, hindi na ako babalik. I gave you all my soft parts, you turned them into scars. Ngayon hawak mo na lang ang pangalan ko sa dark. I won't stay and watch this turn into regret. Kaya paalam na, I'm done with what we had.